When you love a suit but you accidentally drop a pot of coffee on it, it can ruin your day, especially when you send it to 2 different dry cleaners and the stain still remains. So, one of our followers sent it to us to see if there was anything we could do. Guys, get ready because Bill is about to break a bunch of rules. First, he starts off with a sodium perborate bath. Now, if you know anything about cleaning wool suits, you know that they're not supposed to touch water. But in order to tackle the coffee stain, there is no other option. As you can see, that short bath already released a lot of coffee into the water. So, Bill has to start a new one. He covers it with towels to help keep it submerged, and after an hour, the suit still released more coffee. But the stain is no longer moving, so Bill starts an Athlon bath. This will help to protect the color of the suit while still working the stain. He takes the brush and starts gently working the stains. Now, unfortunately, because the suit was previously dry cleaned, it actually set the stain, making it more difficult to remove. So, Bill's doing everything he can to lessen the appearance, but not all stains can be fixed, especially if they've already been set. But now, it's time to move on to the next step, which is wet cleaning, and we start with a bucket of ice. Now, I know this might seem strange, but the ice helps to control the temperature of the water while also adding a gentle mechanical action. Once finished, the suit is hung to dry overnight. The next day, Bill applies a conditioning spray and lets it sit for a few hours. Then, it's off to be dry cleaned. Next, it moves over to the Petromizer to dry. Now comes the difficult part, reshaping the suit. Bill broke many rules while cleaning this, and he told me that if you're gonna clean a suit in water, you better know how to fix it. And now you guys get to witness his magic firsthand. This suit is made of wool, and wool contracts when it touches water. So, what Bill's doing is actually returning the suit back to its original shape. This contraption is called a pant stretcher, and as you can see, Bill places it at the end of the pant leg and applies steam while gently pulling to help the leg return to its original length. And now, he can finally press them. And now, he has to repeat the same process over again, reshaping and then pressing. it's finally finished. And even though the coffee couldn't be erased entirely, the transformation is undeniable.